Mimi and Lele! Hi friends! Today we're gonna learn a magic trick with snow. First, we need fake snow powder in a bowl and a measuring cup with water. Always remember we have to put a little bit to not waste. Yay! Oh, that's it. Oh my gosh! That's it. Oh my god! I know I put a lot right. Okay, friends, we're just gonna keep having fun. Bye. Oh my gosh.
Lele is going to teach us how to make snow.
Just like that. Lemon.
There we go. Well, look at that, folks. All these a little bit harder.